See, as you can see, the trees are getting blown around quite a bit today. Alright, today we are going to be testing the 300X in some pretty windy conditions. Got some bad weather moving in today. Winds are about 15 to 20 miles an hour. Pretty steady. I would say gusts at 25. I've had one flight already, and it flew pretty rock solid, amazing. I'm pretty impressed with the Beast X. We will give it another shot here and see what happens. Just some stable hovering and kind of show you what it can do in the wind. You can see it getting bumped around a little bit, but for the most part, it's pretty rock solid. I would never have attempted this with any other helicopter in this wind. As you can see, it's pretty solid. Thanks for watching.